This adorable ghost lantern took me just 10 minutes and cost under €2. By the end of this video, you'll have your own spooky Halloween decor that will make your neighbors jealous. Ready to craft some magic? Let's go! Here's what you need: your SVG cut pieces, a bit of craft glue or double-sided tape, and just 10 minutes of crafty fun. Let's build. Grab the first black base. Add a thin line of glue along the edge. See how quick and easy? No need to be perfect. Put the orange windows on top of it. Quick challenge. Pause for a second and guess. How many pieces do you think this lantern uses? Drop your guess in the comments below. The answer might surprise you, and I'll reveal it at the end. Now fold the panels and glue the bottom of the panels to connect the side panels at the bottom piece. Line up each piece, press, hold for 3 seconds. That's it. This project is pure instant gratification. Can you see the lantern already taking shape? That's the magic moment. Pro tip: if your edges don't line up perfectly, don't stress. The ghost design is super forgiving. Just adjust and press. My first try wasn't perfect either, but it still looked amazing. Now add the second panel and press the side to connect to the other panel first. Make sure it's secure before you attach it to the bottom. Quick quality check. Run your finger around the seams. Everything secure? Awesome! This lantern will last through every Halloween party and beyond. Add the handle as a finished touch. You can replace it with a ribbon so you can hang your lantern. For a more spooky effect, you add the butcher paper inside the lantern behind the black panels. Did you guess how many parts this lantern has? It's only 10 pieces, and if you count the butcher paper, it's 11. Now the best part, let's light it up. Pop in your LED candle and watch your ghost lantern come to life. If you love this, hit that like button. Want the SVG file? Grab it from my website or Etsy. Links are in the description. And tell me in the comments, what Halloween project should I tackle next? This whole project cost me less than €2 and took just 5 minutes. Subscribe for more money-saving craft hacks, and I'll see you in the next video.